What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. You know, doing your thing, doing the right thing. Alright? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Appreciate you coming through. If this is your first time to the channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so y'all can keep up with the latest, greatest recipe videos that I just love to share with y'all. Alright? Freestyle cooking. We all getting it in. Let's do it. Alright? So today, we doing another sous vide video. You know, if y'all watch some of my other sous vide videos, I was really excited about using the tool. So I'm just on my like little run, doing it, trying different recipes, trying different things with the sous vide, and doing my thing. So today we're gonna do some wings, y'all. Some sous vide fried wings. Okay, real easy, real simple. As you can see, I got my wings up here in the vacuum bag, vacuum sealed. Now, if you didn't see any of my videos with the sous vide is basically we cooking our food, our meat, in a hot water bath to get it to the right, perfect doneness, perfect temperature, okay? And we're going to fry it. So the whole idea is to get our chicken cooked right to the temperature that we want it. All right, and we're gonna fry the chicken. So basically, the whole purpose of us sous videing it first is to get it to that right doneness. That way, you know how sometimes when you fry chicken, you gotta really pay attention to it. Stay over the pan, turn it, because you don't want it to overcook, undercook. You want to make sure it's cooked through. Well, the way we're doing this with the sous vide is cooking the inside perfectly. Trust me when I tell y'all, I done did 3 or 4 videos with the sous vide. Amazing. The insides will be perfectly cooked through. Alright, so that's what we're doing with our wings. So we're doing our wings, y'all. Alright, so now I got my wings vacuum sealed up in the bag. Okay, you want to vacuum seal your wings. If you don't got a vacuum sealer, you could use the water in a pot and push out the air method with a freezer bag, something like that. But we got it ready to go. I got some rosemary, some butter. I seasoned it up, some garlic, some salt and pepper. That's it. You know what I mean? And we about to get it in, y'all. Real easy. Okay? This is real easy. I just wanted to share it with y'all because this is just me using the sous vide, trying to get better with the sous vide, and trying different things with the sous vide. So I'm just bringing y'all along with the journey. All right? So I'm about to get my pot ready. Get the sous vide cooker ready and get this going, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. I got my sous vide cooker up in the pot. This is how you want to set it up. You get the sous vide cooker. You can clip it to the pot. This one in particular is a jewel. It has a magnet on the bottom, so it's sticking right to the bottom of my pot because this is like kind of a short pot. It's not a high pot, but it does have, I'll just pull it up for a second. Y'all can see it does have the clip on the back. If you want to do that, okay. So this is basically going to bring my water up to the temp that I want my chicken to be. Okay, I want my chicken to be around 155. That's where it's done. Okay, where the chicken gonna be still nice and juicy, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna start it off with the sous vide, and then we're gonna fry it on out. So that way, when we fry it, we only gotta fry it for a couple of minutes. It's gonna be nice and juicy. You know what I mean? Sous vide chicken wings, y'all. Y'all gotta try this method. I mean, I'm old school like the best, deep fry your wings, fry them. But since I've been using this kitchen tool, I've been really enjoying using it. So we're gonna go ahead, let the water get heated up, get our wings in the bath, and do our thing, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, my water is heated up. Alright, let's get my wings in there. Oh yeah, y'all. Let's get the wings in there. Alright. Let's get this clipped on. Boom, get the clip on. We got it set for 2 hours, y'all. So we're going to let our wings get fully cooked to the temp that we want them, so they nice and juicy before we fry them. 2 hours, y'all. Trust me, The wait is worth it. When y'all start sous vide food and y'all start using this cooking technique, trust me, the wait is worth it, y'all. When y'all be at the restaurant, y'all get them wings and y'all get them steaks and y'all get them, y'all don't know that in the back, this is what they doing. Real quick, real easy. Not every restaurant, but most of them. Because everybody's specific in how well done they want their food, okay? Alright, so we got it at temp, ready to go. Holla back at y'all in 2 hours. Let's do it! Alright, y'all. It's been a couple of hours. Got my wings up out the water bath. Let's get these things open and patted dry. Let's do it. Now that I got these out the bag, patted dry, as you can see, they look a little ugly right now, but we're going to fry these next, y'all. Alright, so I got my deep fryer preheating, ready to go. And you can use whatever kind of fry mix you want to use, or you can create your own, some flour, some seasonings, just like you would normally do when you're frying chicken or frying anything. Whatever your flour mixture is, you can go ahead and use it. I'm using this Lefty's spicy fish and chicken mix. This is good, y'all. Try it out. I keep this on hand whenever I don't make my own little flour mixture. Keep this on hand when I'm real quick, ready to go, trying to eat. You feel me? Alright. So I got my fry mix up in here, up in the freezer bag. And I'm going to just go ahead and dip and get my wings up in there and get them fried, y'all. Alright. There we go, y'all. Got our wings. Oh yeah, look at them, y'all. Nice and crispy. You know what I'm saying? Cooked all the way through and juicy. Just got them up out of the deep fryer. I'm going to go ahead and let these rest for a second. Put these over to the side. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and make a little quick dipping sauce. Okay, got me some spicy ranch. You could use some regular ranch dressing. Got me some creme fraiche, or you could use sour cream. And I also got some chili and garlic. Alright, it's going to give it a little bit of more heat to my spicy wings, but that's just how I like it. This is optional. You don't have to use this. You can just use the spicy ranch and the creme fraiche or sour cream and just some pepper, and you're good to go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add some more creme fraiche. Alright. Next is some of my spicy ranch. Okay. Next is some of my super hot chili and garlic. Just a little bit, y'all, because this is super hot right here. Trust me when I tell you. And I get this out of my Asian market. So you could probably find this brand up at your Asian market. Super hot. All you need is a little bit, y'all. Definitely hot power. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this on up. Also add some pepper. Alright, it's a good mix. Here we go, y'all. We hit the finish line. Got our crispy wings going on, sous vide style. Crispy wings. Got our nice and spicy dipping sauce. Ready to go in on these wings, y'all. Real easy recipe. Just wanted to share with y'all. Just another way you can make your wings where you got, these are like the perfect wings. You sous vide the wings. Got them to that right temp. So they're perfect on the inside, crispy on the outside. You only had to fry them for a couple of minutes. Not your usual 8 to 10 minutes. Just a couple of minutes, perfectly done. Nice, juicy, tender. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm about to go in on these. All right. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, y'all, for the latest videos. Comment. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all tried it. Let me know what y'all think about the sous vide cooking technique. Let me know what's going on, man. Holla at me. Now I'm about to eat these, and y'all know how I do. Holla.